Here's how you can easily clone your voice with AI directly in Syllaby.io so that you can create more social media videos that sound exactly like you without needing to actually press record. Once you're logged into Syllaby and you have an active plan, you just need to click on the Real Clone button on the left-hand side here. For any voices that you have already cloned, you will see those voices here. But if this is your first time, just click on Craft Your Vocal Signature. Here you can enter a name and enter your gender here. Add a short description of what the voice is if you'd like. And then there are two options. You can either upload audio from your computer or from your phone, or record the audio directly within the browser. If you choose to record the audio in your browser, we do have a consent form on here. This is very important when it comes to AI because we're taking a stance. We don't want anybody to be able to clone anybody's voice. We only want you to be able to clone your voice. It's of best practice to upload at least 2 different audio scripts so that the AI can process the highest quality voice for you possible. And so when you press record on this the second time, or you upload a third clip, you don't necessarily need to read this consent every time. You can just talk freely or read your own script. The longer that your recordings are, and the more pronunciation and realistic voices that you read, the better and higher quality that your audio AI clone is going to be. When you have all of your samples uploaded and you're ready, from there you just need to submit the request. It will automatically begin the review process, and this typically is very quick. You should be able to see this as soon as you click refresh. That's how fast this is. Now, to actually use this voice clone within your content, all you need to do is click on Create Video, and under the voice section here on the left-hand side, you will see all of your voices that you have added there. So you can select any avatar that you'd like, and you have your voice there that you can create content at scale. If you have any questions about this feature at all, you can always contact us directly on Intercom. We're here to help you.